Alright, welcome back to Beck. We are going to go and continue working on Arjun's 39 Packard. And it's still early, so bear with me. And he got the starter rebuilt. So, no more missing parts. We drove to Arjun's warehouse to pick up a bolt to see if we can match this starter. We're going to check the 30 Packard. That's the bolt we need right there. Alright, got it loose. Let's hope this fits. So I'm trying this bolt in the starter. And that's all the further it will go. So I'm thinking it's not the same thread. Best I can tell, threads look okay. Looking at those threads, it might not be the best. So the bolt we needed is 1/2 inch by 20 because it's fine thread, and it's approximately 1.5 inches long to go through that pad right there. Alright, starter's in, so I'm going to try to put this starter switch back in its spot, make sure no wires are touched, and throw a battery down in it and see if we can get it to at least spin first, and then we'll move on to ignition.
Yeah, that battery fits in real nice in there, man.
Positive ground. Ready, Arjun?
What do you want me to watch, Mike?
For smoke?
Inside the engine?
Yep.
Hooked up?
Yep. Nothing?
So far, no. I don't smell anything. I don't. Yeah, I don't see any smoking or any smells, Mike, so far. Mike, can you bypass it? It's easier to try to hook it up. Okay, whatever you want to do.
Key needs wired up. The switch needs wired up. Forgot to hook this cable up, so good to go there. Take 2.
Yeah. Nothing so far.
Bypass starter, take 1.
Am I starting?
Starter turned over. Alright, all done messing with Arjun's car for the night. Gonna have to do some more wire troubleshooting. Yeah, we got an issue going on with the push button right now. It works obviously when you put a jumper cable to the starter and bypass that solenoid. Talking to one of my old instructors who I'm friends with, started trying to troubleshoot this positive ground 6-volt system, and he had to walk me through a few things. So got it narrowed down. The switch isn't getting power, so that'll be the next step, and then we can work up to ignition and then fuel. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.